Selling art online has never been easier. Today, I'll show you how to generate and upload AI artwork in just a few minutes. If you haven't already signed up for Midjourney, check out my last video for a quick 2-minute tutorial on getting started. First, let's create a design on Midjourney. And the design we're going with today is going to be an abstract piece in a vertical aspect ratio. In the prompt field, I'm just going to type abstract art inspired by Georgia O'Keeffe. Then I add a few suffixes at the end to tailor to what I want, like size and quality. If you're not familiar with that, I can go more in depth in another video. I prefer using different artist styles when generating art because these artists have a proven track record of people actually interested in their art. Midjourney did a pretty good job, so we're going to upscale the fourth piece here and save it to our desktop. You can save it by clicking on the image, open in browser, and then right-click to save as. Now over to Redbubble. Redbubble is a print-on-demand marketplace that allows users to sell their submitted artwork. You can expect to make between 20 to 50% from each sale, depending on which product sells. And the great thing is, anyone can open a store. First step on Redbubble is to create a shop. In the top right, you'll see Sell Your Art, then Start Selling, and fill out your info and shop name. After you've chosen your shop name, let's upload that first image. Find your artwork on your computer and you can just drag it over to the Upload New Work selection. That brings up the product page, and here we'll add a title, description, and tags. Once you've completed that, we'll scroll through the product previews to make sure everything looks clean. If not, we can adjust the background colors and the positioning of the image. Once you've completed that, scroll all the way to the bottom, agree to the terms, and click Save Work. And your artwork is officially live for people to buy. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to start utilizing Midjourney to produce sellable artwork online. The great thing about this, after the initial shop setup and design uploads, it's all passive income from here. You don't ever have to touch your shop again, but I recommend uploading quality designs consistently for max return. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to the channel as I'll be uploading more tech-related content on generating passive income.